Greetings, welcome once again to a tutorial of one of the modules that we use in MicroLB to manage your business. So today we're going to look at the point of sale. Normally the point of sale, almost every one of us know what a point of sale is. The tools that you find in the shops, they use a point of sale for them to sell you the different products that they sell. This system also has an internal point of sale. For example, if you have got shops as a small business, but you also have shop outlets, you can install the point of sale and manage all the outlets within one particular system. You can also have the point of sale at an instance, maybe for your business to handle every sale that you make, an immediate sale that you make. Yeah, so let's jump into it and see how things work. Yeah, so when you click on point of sale, you see your shop design. For example, you might have several shops, but in this business, I only have a blender shop here, which is only one shop. So when you want to log in, you just click on the new session here, and then it will log you into the shop. Let's do that and see. Yeah, so once you log in, it will open you into another user interface where you have all your products in your inventory or in your sales catalog be displayed here. So they'll be displayed in this window here, and you can see there are chairs, desks, and these are categories. They are miscellaneous products, and you can always be moving onto these categories. You can use this as an area where you are adding different products that you want to sell to them. Let me just clear it first so that we start from scratch. For example, maybe someone wants to buy a storage box at a price of 250 kwacha per storage box. Then you can search here for a storage box, and then you'll find this storage box, and then you put the quantity. Maybe the person wants 3 of these at a price of 2,500 kwacha. So you put the price here and you put 2,500, and you can see the total that is coming here. You can also add some discounts, say maybe of maybe 10%. You can see how this is looking like here. So you can see 3 units with the 10% discount. This should be the amount that you have. Yeah, so you can proceed to set a customer. You might have all the customers, or you might not have some of the customers there. So if you don't have the customer, you can create one here. So you can just name them, say maybe customer 1, and then you save it here. Once you save it, you set customer, and then you can see customer 1 has been recorded here, and you proceed to payment. And then you can pay using the cash, you can pay using the bank, and that can also work. You can also take this into an invoice if the person is not paying at the very same time, at the very same moment. Maybe they're paying using some check. You can print them an invoice, and then, but in this case, let's use cash. And then let's say maybe the client has paid 7,000. You can see the change here, and it has subscribed the method of payment, and here's the change. And then you can validate that, and then it will print you something like this, of which you have just to print it as a PDF or save as a PDF. If this is connected to a physical printer or any other printer, you will choose to print using that particular printer here, and then you save. Once you hit that, it will be able to print your quotation, and you can see here the receipt that shows here. This is what you print. You can print the receipt, as I said, and then you print it here. Yeah, so after you do that, then you can go to the next order. The very same thing is going to happen. You select the products. You can select a number of them in as much as you have, and then you can be changing the prices. You can be changing the prices there. You can remove the discount. You can change the prices there. You can change the prices like that. So it's quite an easy way of interacting with the point of sale, and it becomes so very much handy. And once you are selling these things, it's updating in the background your accounting books and your accounts. If I go back, it's just about double clicking here. So once you double click here, you will go back to the interface, and you can see here that there is a cash balance of 0 because you are not closing. So by the end of the day, you have to close the counter. So when you're closing the counter, it shows you to say you have made about 6,750 of payments and from one order, and then you can validate the closing entries and post. Once you post, it is going to show here that the cash balance that you have in the Blender shop is this after closing at that particular time. Yeah, so it becomes so very much a good tool to use and very intuitive. You can go back to the point of sale to evaluate some of the things, like you can check on the orders that you have made. You can see one order which you made to customer 1, and these you can view them in a Kanban, you can view them in a pivot chart, etc. And yeah, the very same thing you can also do, you can group them by, say, maybe cashier, and you can see Mr. Demo, the cashier here. If you have different sessions and maybe you have different cashiers, you can group these and it will be shown very well. You can also filter maybe by the order date, either posted or not, invoiced or not, and it becomes so very much handy to use this particular tool. You can also check on the products that you have on the point of sale, and you can change maybe a couple of things here depending on your liking. You can also check on the payments that have been done. You can see here there are 2 payments that have been done. The first payment is done for the change, and the other payment is done when the customer paid 7,000 kwacha. So that shows the 2 payments that have been done, the 2 cash payments. You can also check the customers, which is just a list of the customers that you have in the system, in this case, of which we already did that. We already looked at something like that previously. Yeah, so far so good. That's how the point of sale module works. It's that easy. We make sure that we set the shop up for you, and then you can just be using by logging in, closing counters, etc. And you also have an opportunity to see this point of sale being portrayed on the accounting, to say these were the sales that were made using the point of sale, and these were the sales that were made using the invoices, etc. Yeah, so thank you so much. Continue using and continue trying more. If you find anything that needs our attention, we are always there to assist, and thank you so much.